Check out this painter's clever method for saving time. This is how teamwork should be. Enjoy watching the greatest concrete pouring you've ever seen. Check out how this guy skillfully harnesses the gravitational potential of plaster. Looking for someone to brighten up your gray days? Then call this painter, whose work is of the highest quality. These are the unsung heroes who make the most durable foundations. You don't need a huge amount of force to pull up an entire structure. Just call this guy and let him be awesome. Careful, this man's troll handling skills are so captivating. It's hard not to get hooked. This worker's skills make removing asphalt look like a cakewalk. A massive crew collaborated on an unbelievable epoxy resin floor, but stepping on it will never feel the same. No, this isn't real-life Tetris. It's a true pro installing parquet flooring with lightning speed. I'm a huge fan. And take a look at this bridge domino effect, initiated by the worker to the right of the excavator. I bet this lightning-fast brick paver will be done before our video is over. I absolutely love it when experts work their magic and transform a boring backyard into a haven of relaxation. One sharp motion, and a strong, solid wall is ready for action. Surprising, right? Drop a comment if the concept of asphalt painting is news to you. The fate of a new building's foundation rests with this person. Nobody's perfect, but what about perfectly filled cracks in the road? This builder's nimble hand allows him to plaster at awe-inspiring speed. Incredible! This guy has two passions in life: carousals and his job, so he decided to combine them. Even with a full workload, one pro was able to tackle his own backyard to create a huge pool. Watch a week's worth of work disappear in a snap. Forget Wonder Woman. This woman is way more powerful. Drop your rating from 1 to 10 in the comments for the velvety effect on the walls by this talented painter. This employee's mastery of the rivet gun makes him a valuable asset to the team. This team's flawless work is smoothness redefined. There are 3 things you can watch forever: fire burning, water falling, and these painters working. This beast of a construction worker wields a 20-pound sledgehammer like a little mallet. He deserves a thumbs up. Be careful. This pro's micro glass mosaic work will suddenly make you want to redecorate your bathroom. To your attention, the best asphalt sealant on the planet. Watch closely. This pro's life hacks will make your floor picture perfect. Builders have been able to reduce slab weight and concrete consumption by 35% using revolutionary bubble deck hollow plastic technology. How about this guy? We're talking top-tier ceiling painting here. You can't get flawless pavers without a perfectly prepared base like this first. Suspended over a cliff where modern tools were useless, workers resorted to an ancient method: wooden decking and hand drilling for reinforcement. Now feast your eyes on the awe-inspiring Huangshan Road. Roofing doesn't get any faster than when this team is on the job. For those who consider themselves electrical experts, you've got nothing on this woman's mastery. These people clearly were inspired by the frescoes of Michelangelo, and I'm sure he would have appreciated their ceiling art. A fold is a modular wooden house that can quickly be transported and assembled anywhere in the world. It's a remarkable technology. Being a true expert means you're always professional, regardless of gender. This worker applies rubber pebbles smoother than skates on ice. When it comes to painting walls, this guy knows how to do it without those annoying brush strokes. Here's what happens when a freestyler gets behind the wheel of a forklift. Keep up the good work, buddy. To speed up construction and cut costs, savvy builders are turning to plastic foundations, known for their unique strength-enhancing geometry. Experienced workers really know some cool life hacks. Who's faster? This worker insulating a floor or Usain Bolt running 200 meters? Let's vote in the comments. Why go to an art museum when these guys can make one right in your home? Now check out some high-speed sheathing of roof seams.